I needed some roof work. I just replaced a roof about 10 years ago, but it wasn't really maintained well, so I knew I needed some good maintenance, and I saw Guardian's ad online and decided to give them a call. And they came out within 2 days. A guy named Mike came out and was very helpful, very professional, very informative, did a video of my roof and showed me what it looked like and what the work would involve, and we made some recommendations. I agreed with everything that he said. He was very helpful. I answered a lot of my questions. He checked my attic. He checked my roof. We really had a very comprehensive meeting. He was there probably for about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. He didn't seem to begrudge me any time, which isn't always the case. I know sometimes I've met with other vendors and you could tell they're in kind of a hurry. He was not at all. I even asked him, "Do you have another appointment?" And he said, "No, I'm fine." So he was very helpful, and we agreed on, what was going to be done. Not only am I having some work done and treatment to the roof and repairs to my chimney, but I also went on a protection plan. I live around a lot of trees and bushes, and they get on my roof frequently. So it was great that he could set me up with that program where I can make sure that my roof gets cleaned on a regular basis. So I'm very happy with it. The work is supposed to start next week, and I'm so excited. Hopefully the weather will permit.